In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slice in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know how to cut through text cleanly and move the pieces for eye-catching designs like split headlines and layered effects. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer and loading the document you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new document at the size you need. Next, switch to the Pixel Studio at the top left of the interface. This changes the workspace to match the layout we're using and exposes the tools where we'll be working. Don't worry, you can still edit vector layers and text in this view. Now click on the text you want to slice so it's selected. You should see a bounding box appear around it. If you're working with multiple layers, make sure you've clicked the correct text object in the canvas or in the layers panel. Zooming in a bit can help with precision later. Look to the toolbar on the left and choose the knife tool. It looks like a small blade. Once it's active, you can drag a line across your text to cut it. Draw the cut exactly where you want the separation to happen. For straight cuts, try holding Shift as you drag to constrain the angle. For a smoother or curved slice, create a gentle arc with your mouse. You can make more than one cut if you're aiming for multiple segments, but keep each cut deliberate and clean so it's easy to manage afterwards. When your cuts are in place, switch to the Move tool. This is the main selection tool that lets you pick up and reposition objects. With the text still selected, right-click to open the context menu. Choose Ungroup All. Text objects often come in nested groups, letters, characters, and cut segments. So Ungroup All ensures the slice pieces become independent. You may need to ungroup more than once if you see the option available again. Keep going until it's no longer offered. At this point, click a slice to select it and move it where you want. Drag it with your mouse for bigger moves, or use the arrow keys for fine nudges. If a neighboring piece moves with it, you may have one last group to ungroup, so repeat the ungroup action on that selection. For cleaner alignment, turn on snapping if you like, and consider duplicating a slice before moving it if you want to create layered shadows or offset effects later. That's it. Open, select, slice, ungroup, and move. Practice a few different cut angles and distances to see how each one changes the mood of your layout.